Hey everyone, Tanishta this side from ASPD, where career take off and stories fly. If you are a hotel management student, stop scrolling because this video is just for you. Today we are diving into something super exciting, one of the most talked about international internship opportunities out there, the France internship program. So first thing first, why France? Well, picture this, the land of the Eiffel Tower, beautiful countryside, rich culture, and of course, world class hospitality. France isn't just beautiful, it's a global powerhouse in tourism and hospitality. Despite a population of around 65 million, the country welcomes over 90 million tourists every single year. Crazy, right? That means the demand for skilled hospitality professional never goes down. From luxury resorts to fine dining and boutique hotels, the French hospitality industry thrives on quality, culture, and class. And that's exactly why is it perfect place to kickstart your international hospitality career. Now let's talk about the real deal. What this program actually offers. If you are currently pursuing a diploma or degree in hotel management, whether it's 3 years, 4 years, or even 2 years masters, you have to do an internship as a part of your course, right? Here's where the choice comes in. You can do it in India or take your learning global through ASPD's France internship program. The program runs twice a year, summer and winter batches, with 200 plus internship vacancies each time just for the Indian students. Hundreds of students have already completed this program and they have come back with the world class experience and incredible memories. You will be placed in 3-star, 4-star, or 5-star hotels across breathtaking French towns and countryside locations. Here's the best part, most hotels offer free accommodation, duty meals, so your living expenses practically taken care of. And yes, you will also receive a monthly stipend of around 600 euros or more after a basic deduction. So you are not just gaining global exposure, you are earning while you are learning. Now, let's look at the department you can choose from. Food and beverage service, kitchen production, and housekeeping. At the moment, front office roles aren't open, mainly because they require advanced French communication skills. But hey, if that's your dream area, start brushing up on your French basics, and you will open even more doors in the future. Here's where it gets even better. Working in France isn't just about hospitality, it's about living the French culture. Many of the partner hotels are family run, which means you get to experience the true French lifestyle up closely. For example, in one of our partner hotels, everyone, from the owner to the interns, participates in gardening every Monday as a part of their weekly routine. That's the beauty of this program. It's not just an internship, it's a cultural journey. You will learn teamwork, respect for traditions, and the art of balancing work with community life. The French way. Alright, now let's check if you are eligible. To apply, you must be a current hotel management student, pursuing degree or diploma, be between 18 to 27 years of age, and be ready to adapt to French culture and basic language etiquette. And no worries, knowing French isn't mandatory. But trust me, learning even a bit of it gives you a huge advantage, from smoother daily life to better chances of a work permit later on. Once you are selected, you will apply for a Schengen visa, which means you can travel to 28 to 29 European countries. Yes, you heard that right. On your off days, you could be exploring Switzerland, Germany, Spain, or Italy, all while based in France. Imagine this, you are 20 years old, interning in a European hotel, earning in euros, and traveling across Europe on weekends. That's not just an internship, it's a once in a lifetime experience. So, how do you apply? It's super simple. Send your resume to ASPD. We forward it to our partner hotels. Once a hotel selects you, they issue an official training agreement called the Convention de Stage. This document is signed by you, your college, and the hotel. After that, your papers go for French government verification. And once approved, it's visa time. And here's something amazing. The visa approval rate for this program is over 99.9%. That's because ASPD works only with officially recognized colleges and hotels. Now, if your college doesn't yet have a tie up with ASPD, don't stress. We can help your institution set up an official collaboration. Just ask your training and placement officer or director to contact ASPD, and our team will guide them through the process. Here's why ASPD stands out. We have been helping Indian students land an internship in France, Malta, Greece, and the USA, and more for years. Our mission? Not just sending you abroad, but helping you build stories worth flying for. From documentation and training to interview preparation and visa support, ASPD handles everything. So you can focus on your dream. So if you are a hotel management student dreaming of international exposure, the France internship program is your golden opportunity to make that dream come true. With free accommodation, duty meals, 600 plus euro stipend, and a chance to work in Europe's hospitality capital. This experience can truly change your career path forever. Don't wait. Talk to your college placement cell today or contact ASPD directly using the number below to know more, because your global career starts here and we will see you soon, maybe in France. Thank you.